Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another season of the LIS Campus Buzz. I'm Sainushka Hari.
And I'm Ananya. We are thrilled to bring you the very first edition of the Campus Buzz, our monthly news segment of this academic year, filled with fresh energy, new milestones, and vibrant voice from across our Loyola family.
April welcomed not just a new term, but also new faces into our Loyola family. A warm hello to our new students and teachers, and a heartfelt welcome to those returning. This month has been filled with thoughtful preparations as our staff worked tirelessly to ensure that every student felt right at home.
And what better way to ease our little ones into school life than a surprise with the visit of none other than Masha and the bear? Our KG students were smiling as they danced, giggled, and received warm bear hugs, a perfect start of their Loyola journey.
The first week was filled with joy and learning. As part of our welcome week, students got crafty, creating beautiful artworks that express their excitement for the year ahead. We also took this time to focus on healthy living, learning about balanced meals, stretching our body and minds, and moving with the rhythm of learning and joy.
Meanwhile, over at our Al Nasser campus, colors came live during the LIS house meet and greet. Students met their house, bonded with their mentors, and learned about their house, voice, value, and vision. Because at Loyola, every house is more than a name. It's a journey of pride, purpose, and belonging.
The start of the year has not just been festive, it's also been foundational. Loyola is building for the future, and April was just the powerhouse for new developments.
A key milestone this month, our partnership with IIT Madras through its prestigious Student Connect program, unlocking incredible opportunities for mentorship by one of the world's top institutions, an inspiring start to what promises to be a game changing collaboration.
Meanwhile, empowering our educators still remains a top priority. April saw our teachers participating in high quality training sessions to refine their skills and embrace new strategies to make learning more engaging, meaningful, and future ready.
And speaking of the future, technology took center stage as we inaugurated our third ICT lab with sleek system and cutting edge tools. The lab is designed to make every learner a digital creator, innovator, and a problem solver.
Another exciting initiative launched this month was the LIS MUN Club. That's right, Loyola now officially has a space where future diplomats, thinkers, and leaders can come together to debate, deliberate, and drive change.
This April, through thoughtful activities, we reflected on how our choices shape the planet. Our corridors echoed with conversation about climate, conservation, and compassion.
On Earth Day, we dug deep into the soil and into our souls. Students planted seeds, crafted messages to Mother Earth, and promised to take small but meaningful actions to nurture our world. At Loyola, compassion isn't just a word, it's a way of life. This month, under ECAS initiatives, under the guidance of the Ministry of Education, students at the Al Nasser campus came together to explore the true essence of empathy, inclusion, and standing up for one another. This spotlight was on raising awareness against bullying and nurturing the spirit of unity across all grades. Through meaningful discussions, reflections, and acts of kindness, every student played an important part, creating a safer, more connected, and caring school community.
Healthy living continued to be the key focus during this month. We explored what it means to have a healthy diet, learning about food groups, portions, and making smarter choices every day. Our healthy days were filled with movement, mindfulness, and laughter.
Alongside physical fitness, we also championed mental well being with yoga, meditation, and laughter therapy sessions that stretched both body and mind. Because at Loyola, we believe a strong student is the one who is healthy in every sense of the word.
And just as health strengthens the body, creativity nourishes the soul. Kindergarten turned into a splash of blue as our little ones celebrated Blue Day with joyful enthusiasm. Dressed in vibrant blue and carrying matching toys and pictures. They spoke confidently about their item and got creative with fun crafts like paper fish, fans, and colorful aquariums, combining imagination, fine motor skills, and loads of laughter.
Creativity took center stage on Art Day as well, where our young artists turned the school into a vibrant art gallery. Our activities aim to appreciate and celebrate the role of art in shaping our societies. From brushes to clay, poetry to doodles, every piece told a story and every creation sparked a smile.
Art isn't just color on canvas, it's expression in its boldest form, be it through painting, music, dance, martial arts, or even mimicry. Creativity has no limit, and Loyola's Talent Hunt 2025, held as an extension of Art Day, proved just that.
The school came alive with performances that sang, danced, dribbled, and dazzled into our hearts. It was a beautiful reminder that every voice matters, every skill is special, and at Loyola, no talent goes unnoticed.
Speaking of talent, April was absolutely ablaze with achievements. Here's a thunderous rounds of applause for our stars who made Loyola proud across field, courts, and even international errands.
Our student Bhavani Satish Kumar etched her name into history by participating in the longest Silambam stick rotation with ribbon non-stop for 2 hours and 30 minutes, now officially recorded in the Noble Book of World Records. What a phenomenal feat!
Sanvi Dhanraj brought home laurels from not only one but two international rhythmic gymnastic events, clinching third place overall in rhythmic gymnastic championship, Azerbaijan, and fifth place overall at International Baby Cup, Turkey. You have made us proud, Sanvi.
Kudos to Mahatke Sarish of Grade 3E for winning second runner-up at the TGPA Badminton Tournament Season 3.
A standing ovation to Induvadan of grade 11 for being selected to the Qatar Under 16 national cricket team for upcoming ACC Men's Under 16 West Zone Cup. All the best, champ.
A futuristic project on artificial gravity by Amar Abdullah of Grade 8C bagged the second runner-up position at SIF QCSE 2025 under the guidance of Miss Rushda.
Congratulations to Avigna Bora for winning third place in Shastra Pratibha contest, a platform supported by ISRO and NCERT. Truly, a scientist is making.
Hajra Adil of Grade 5F participated in the IS Talent Search examination and secured an impressive international rank of 31, earning herself a silver medal. A remarkable achievement indeed. Congratulations, Hajra.
Our champions dominated the NGSA Inter-School Athletics Meet, bring home an impressive 13 gold, 9 silvers, and 14 bronze medals across relay, sprints, hurdles, throws, and middle distance runs.
Let's give a roaring round of applause to our medalists. Monish Ugumudi, Anshika Sivabalan, Malik Amra, Ritul Sastik, Mariam Bint, Farida Ahmed, Hanna Biju, Hanshit Jayabalan, Arnav Sunil Kumar, Muhammad Hamad Bhai, Daksh S. Akhil, Tarun K. Sivaraj, Tanya Feroz, Syed Atidhar, Mariam Nur, Dua Aishin, Adira, Marvelous Toby, Prince Emmanuel, Odil Paul, Harshada Reddy, Maz Iqbal, and Janvi Kesavaraj.
From basiling the tracks in relays and sprints to leaping over hurdles and dominating throws and field events, each one of you have made Loyola proud. A spectacular team effort and a powerful start to the sporting year.
What a spectacular team effort! Loyola roared on the field. Each win is a feather in our collective cap, and we salute their hard work and spirit.
Now let's have a peek into what lies ahead. May bring fresh excitement as we gear up for one of the most empowering events of the term, the Student Council elections, campaigning, manifestos, and the power of vote. The Loyola democracy is all set to roll.
And following close behind is the grand investiture and badging ceremony, a moment where responsibility meets recognition. Our elected leaders will step into the spotlight not just to wear a badge, but to carry the values of Loyola and show the world what true leadership looks like.
So that's a wrap of this month's LIS Campus Buzz, a journey through April that has been energizing, enriching, and inspiring.
We'll be back next month with more voices, more victories, and more Loyola moments. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and stay buzzing with joy. This is LIS Campus Buzz signing off.